and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is washing and toilet facilities. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda and stick around to the end for those bonus questions. Our topic, washing and toilet facilities, comes directly from 211.52. Washing and toilet facilities in 5 words. Washrooms and toilets are adequate. When employees enter controlled areas, the organization must ensure that there are change rooms and washrooms with the necessary controls implemented to maintain cleanliness levels. The controls can take many different forms. Some common controls are hot and cold water, soap, alcohol sanitizer, single-use towels, air dryers, smocks, hair nets, gloves. There can be many different controls implemented. It's also important to ensure that toilet facilities are located close to changing rooms and that employees have easy access to the toilet facilities. How do I know it's working? First, washrooms have the needed controls implemented to support the manufacturing process for the drug that we're making. Second, washrooms are designed with an adequate number of washing stations to support the number of employees entering and exiting the controlled environments. Third, toilets are located close to washrooms and allow easy access by employees. And then finally, all employees follow washing routines before entering controlled areas. So how do I know it's not working? Well, first, the organization has OOS events and deviations related to contamination that can be directly linked back to inadequate washing facilities. Second, washrooms are missing some required elements as outlined by the regulation. Could be hot or cold water, it could be soap, it could be air dryers, towels, whatever it is, some of the required elements are missing. Third, toilets are located some distance away from the washrooms and employees do not have easy access to those toilets. And then finally, washrooms and toilet facilities are clean and unsanitary and they're not maintained. And now for the 3 bonus questions. First, how many washrooms do we have within the facility? Second, can I get a copy of the blueprint of the facility? And then third, can you please identify on the blueprint all of the various washrooms and the enter and exit points for the various controlled manufacturing environments? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any specific questions, send them to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.